Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to exploring the latest features of KLING AI. So what's new in 2025? I will just show you. Make sure you will have logged in this website and you will just move in this left. This is you will see the AI videos elements. This is the new feature. I will just tap on it and here you will just add some pictures of 1 to 4. I will just select it from my desktop some samples to show you. I will just uploaded some man picture, and then second one I will just add like this bicycle, and in third one I will just add a city street like this. And what to do when it's completely load, so you will just have to give them prompt. So you will just give them prompt, and if I just started like a man riding bicycle on city street. So make sure you just turn it on this 1.16 clean version, and I will be just added three pictures. You will see a man with helmet and bicycle and this empty city street, and I will just give them prompt a man riding bicycle on city street. So I will just tap on it, generate it, and let's see how it's work. So you will have to wait for the moment. So finally the video is ready. I will just tap to show you. So here you will see I will just added some three random pictures, and I will just give them prompt a man riding bicycle on city street, so it will just create images to video. So this is the latest feature of KLING AI in 2025. You will just have to use it and explore the all features right over here. So in this way you will just use it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.